Yes, I bought the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo truck. Very expensive in the Netherlands. On AliExpress it was €210. Then I paid for it and I got a discount and I had to pay €162. Then it arrived in the Netherlands and I got charged for taxes and I had to pay €68. Is it worth the money? Well, I hope so, because I think that it is very expensive. Okay, let's have a look at the box first. Okay, here we got a picture of the truck and the container. I hope it's made out of metal. And we're going to compare it with a truck from Mini GT. So yes, let's open the box. Protected in foam. That one. And we got two. Yeah, here I've got another Tomica Limited Vintage. That's for later. Also very cool, especially with the suspension. Okay, there's a piece of tape here. There we go. There we go. And some more tape here. And also here. This is the container. Definitely made out of metal. Really heavy. Thank God. If it was plastic, it was definitely not worth the money. Beautiful container, by the way. Yep. And now the other one, which should be the truck and the trailer. Yep, exactly. Very well packed, by the way. And I hope there also are some side mirrors. No side mirrors. That would be a little bit disappointing, because here on the picture we can see side mirrors. I thought it comes with side mirrors. Okay. Don't see any side mirrors. Okay, this is made out of plastic here. This is made out of metal right here. Sorry, I have to do something with my camera. Yep, there we go. That's much better. Okay, we got the back. This is all painted, not lanced. Rubber tires. Rolling very good. Rims also looking cool. Yeah. Now let's have a look at the truck. So apparently no side mirrors. I think that's a big downside. If you put downside or side mirrors on the package, it should have side mirrors on the model as well. No steering wheels. I was expecting steering wheels for such a price. you are expecting steering wheels. It looks good though. Nothing wrong with that. Also, this is made out of die cast. Yeah, there's room for a license plate. And I like the wires here. Maybe there are some side mirrors here in the container. Who knows? Okay, let's see. Put some light on. Nope, nothing in the container. Text on the container. Closes really well. Does not open when you do it like this. Max gross weight. Yeah, everything is there. Black base with Tomica. Okay, let's put it on the trailer. So yeah, this is very easy. You can put the wires in here. There are 2 holes and you can put the wires in it. Yeah, very well done. And you can see the, yeah, we call it the schotel in the Netherlands. I'm not sure how you call it in English, but this we call the schotel, and you can move it. I like it that you can put the wires here in these holes. Oh. There we go. Very heavy. Well, it would be interesting if I... There we go. If I'm going to weigh it... Rolls really well. I think it looks fantastic, but with no side mirrors, no steering wheels, I can already say I think it's not worth the money. Maybe you pay a lot less in China or Japan, but let's see, is there no side mirror? I checked the package again. I think that's weird. I think that's very weird. No, nothing in the box. No. Okay, then there is one more thing to do. Checking the package right here. No. No side mirrors. Come on. We're going to compare it with a truck from a Mini GT. And I'm also curious about the weight of this container because it's really heavy. Okay, let's get the truck from a Mini GT on the table. So it's going to be this one, the UPS trailer. Did a review about it a while ago. And now we're going to take it out of the package. I checked on the World Wide Web because I couldn't believe there are no side mirrors. Guess what? Ha! Side mirrors. Phew! That makes it so much better. I think you have to use glue. Let's have a closer look to this. Okay, we have to take this out. Yeah. Yeah, we have to use glue to put this on. Meh. I don't like that. It should be for this price. Let's be honest. I pay around 200 euro. And even if I paid 162 euro without taxes, this should already be on the truck, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm going to leave this in the package. but I'm glad that there are some side mirrors. That's for another time. I'm not going to glue these on. Yes, I want to know. See, I've got the Minigt truck out. I want to know the weight of the containers. Oh, low battery. There we go. Minigt, and this is in gram. 378 gram. And the one from Tomica Limited Vintage feels a lot heavier. 505, half a kilo. Whoa, that's a big difference. And if we look at the size, same size. Yeah. So they use different metal. It feels also very heavy. You can weightlift with this thing. Will it fit on the other? Yes, yes, you can use it for a Mini GT trailer. That's a plus. Can we do it all the way around? No, no, that's not possible. Yeah, it is possible, but it doesn't fit as well as this one, because as you can see, this one got a couple of holes on the side, but this one here, the Tomica trailer, doesn't have it. So yes, it is possible, you can do it, but it's not as good as this one. Okay, now let's have a look at both trucks. Now I have to be honest, I'm not an expert in trucks. I'm not sure if this is a pretty new truck. Let's take this one out. Oh, can we lower these? I don't think so. No, that's not possible. So it's a little bit facing downward. How is that with the Minigt? Not as much as the one from Tomica Limited Vintage. I can live with that. It's not that bad. No. See, it's okay. It's okay. I can live with that. Now, about the trucks. See, the one from Minigt already comes with the side mirrors. You don't have to do anything for it. And let's be honest, you pay €100 less for a Minigt truck. I think I paid around €100 for this truck. I think a little bit less. It has steering wheels. Silver details here. It has a metal base. It also has these wires, a little bit more. Yeah, this is also moving. So much more details on the Minigt truck for less money. And this one feels light. It has a plastic base. Yeah, this is plastic. It feels also a little bit very light. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. There we go. 73 gram. 137. More quality. And steering wheels. So definitely the truck here for Minigt wins. And you have to put the side mirrors on yourself. The only winner from the Tomica Limited Vintage is the container, which is very heavy. Wow, I like that. How about the trailer? Yeah. Come on, battery. 102, 56, 57. So yeah, also the trailer of Mini GT. Yeah, it feels also a lot heavier, and this is more metal. Spare tire here. Now maybe the real one from that truck doesn't have even a spare tire. Wouldn't surprise me. Yeah. So yes, I think the Mini G truck is definitely the winner if you look at price, quality, details, etc. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button because you really help me with that. And have a very nice day. Bye.